had one of the longest meetings we've ever held with the governors. And what we find most encouraging is their attitude towards the issue of discipline, their attitude towards the issue of unity of the party, their attitude towards divisionist tendencies in the party by members, and they were very emphatic. We were very, very, very happy with them, and it gave us room or cause to believe that we are going to have a very flourishing relationship with the new leadership of the Governors Forum. Now, if Nigerians stand up to support the party the way they have done, for us to get the kind of results we are all talking about, a lot has been expected from us as a party. You know, from our manifesto, it's clear we made promises, and it behoves on us to see whatever we can do to ensure that we deliver on our promises.
If you have been following the itinerary of Mr. President, he's presently not in the country and is expected back again and to proceed for another journey, and that the NWC amply informed us, and that is what necessitated the postponement. And let me let you know, this is a moment where rumors and blackmail can thrive. But as a party, there is only one APC. And we came again in solidarity to say we are strongly behind our national chairman and the National Working Committee. It's complete rumor, because whatever you may have heard about board membership, those letters were addressed to the state chairman. And every state chairman is loyal to his governor. And where there are no governors, they are worthy and very loyal to the stakeholders of that state. There is no such crisis. In fact, we must commend Mr. President for playing to his promise of saying that state chairmen should be captains of this ship. And I can assure you that letters were addressed to us.